Nope. Nope. That's nasty. Okay. Look.
Look at that.
I don't know. I was trying different ways. Thank you for that. You know what? We're not gonna die. I eat cookie dough. It is 9 something. I'm so tired and I don't want to get up. Now an hour later. Still in bed. I was asleep, but I need to edit for the love of God. My vlog is probably gonna. Oh, my vlog's probably gonna be late. How loud the wind is. That's he sucks. I'll put a hoodie on and brush my teeth. Hello. I don't know why my voice sounds like that. I'm editing right now. It's 11:05. I am not gonna be done by 12 unless I like speed it up. But yesterday's vlog was really chill. Like we went to Walmart for some things that we needed for laundry because we're putting stuff away, like clothes of my dad's away. I was trying to feed the dogs, but we finished the dog food last night and it was too cold to get the dog food. And right now it is windy and Coda isn't the lightest and it was just a whole mess and it's like I said, they slept in Puma's room just because why not? And they look so cozy and they're watching Naruto.
No, I lost.
11:45 and I'm still not done. Thank you for that. Not for this shit. Dude, I had the worst morning.
I know you're recording.
I am. Nearly done. I didn't record it, but I'm done. I'm done. I'm very excited that I'm done. My mom and I are watching Sister Sister. Texted me that she's making deviled eggs. And now I want deviled eggs. So I'm gonna make deviled eggs. So I keep forgetting to take apple cider at night. So I'm gonna take it right now. Say hi. So I made cookies. You So I have 2 things of cookies. Yay. I can't get the other one off.
Hi.
The heat set to 70.
I'm scared to cut this. Oh wow. It's like it wants to be cooked.
Yeah, it's like hella windy there.
So these aren't like fully cooked, but you know what? We're not gonna die. I eat cookie dough.
It's soft cooked egg.
Yeah. And like people eat like, don't they eat like raw egg like in pho or something?
You can eat raw egg yolk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the rest is cooked.
People have raw egg whites in their protein. They drink it from the carton.
True. Ignore my dog. Add all of these. And now I'm gonna chop these up and get mayo and all that.
Oh, is it funny?
Okay, so my mom and I put this nuclear sauce on the egg. I think my camera's dirty, but I'm not.
I was gonna say that.
Okay. I'm like, my mouth is watering.
Oh shit, it's on my finger.
Okay. Oh, what did I do? Okay, ready?
Cheers. Mine's a little bit too much, but it's good. It's not bad. It's good. It's just good.
I liked that. So I'm gonna try this monster. I got an ingrown on my nail and now it hurts so bad. And I can't use it. Can you open it for me? Yes, I'm gonna try it. I don't know. She said, Kaylee said I would like one and I wouldn't like the other. So. That tastes like some Mexican candy. My mom's making burgers. Does it not?
It tastes like pineapple.
That's why. She said I wouldn't like one, I'd like the other. The other one's mango.
It's good though.
It's not bad.
Give it down to me.
Try this. It's new. Pineapple. Show them your slime.
It's not that stretchy.
So my family's having burgers, so I'm making my own burger. Yeah. My mom started cutting onions and I shed a tear. I needed a burger. These are vegetarian.
Just why did I say that fries?
There's more in the. Oh, heck, turn it off. Turn it off.
Hello, I'm in my room. You can't see me, but I'm just watching TikTok after dinner. And then I'll probably clean or do homework. My cookies are immaculate. Maybe my mom needs to clean the kitchen again. Butter. It won't open. This. I did. It went. Do you know how the heck to roll these?
What do you mean?
I just rolled them like 18 different ways.
Like that?
Oh. Well, I didn't know that. Look.
Look at that.
I don't know. I was trying different ways. I didn't know what to do. From this side?
Get the flat end, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just start rolling it.
I made myself lemon ginger tea. And we're watching Forensic Files.
And cleaning here and there.
And cleaning here and there. You could see the pizza boxes in the back. It's just such an aesthetic.
Delicious.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put this huge thing of toilet paper away. Here's the box. This is the box of toilet
Ooh,
paper.
let's do a tower.
How much we have. Still a lot, but better be safe than sorry. Okay, this is all that fits. It's full all the way to the back. This is what's left in there, so I'll probably just put these in my parents' bathroom. That's it. It's a lot of toilet paper, but we've always bought it since even before this pandemic. We've bought 96 rolls. Really disgusted by everything now. Like, I never want to leave. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go switch the shower curtain. Anyways, so I'm changing this to a Santa one because we're closer to Christmas. This was like our pre-Christmas. It's a snowman having a meltdown. Now I'm gonna take all these off. We need new ones of these. We've been needing new ones. Okay. I'm gonna go fold this with my mom.
technique. Sadly, 3 weeks after Jarvis completed winter mist,
I was just telling them. I'll tell them. This is for my grandma. Cause we get her pajamas every year, and we're eating chips and salsa with cream cheese. It is immaculate. This one. Get hot though. Hot. It is.
We stayed up all night drinking and laughing. I heard his whole story. He was jumping down. Whenever I'm
Hello. It is 1 in the morning, I think, almost. And it's 12:32. I fell asleep on the couch watching my mom's show with her. But everybody went back to their own rooms, so I'm just cleaning up my room just because it became a mess and like all the filming stuff. It was a lot. And I think I'm gonna take all the presents for my girlfriend. This isn't even my sock. And I washed my own clothes. Okay. I'm gonna put them under my tree so that I could get rid of the big box. I suddenly want to clean, so I'm gonna empty this box of my presents and put them under my tree with her presents. And then I'm gonna clean this drawer. I've let it get way out of hand. Like, you know when you have that junk chair? This is my junk drawer. It's a bunch of stuff my girlfriend gave me. She gave me a stocking and she let me open it because she got my sister's stockings like these, and it was a whole thing. But I think she's gonna come over and we're gonna open, like, these are her presents, and then she's gonna open her presents when she comes. Anyways, so it's just a bunch of junk, and just even in general, like, why is this in here? I'm sad. This monster's flat. Nope, that's nasty. Okay. Now, I found this in my drawer, and I've been looking for it forever, so that's cool. But here's it organized-ish. Like I said, it's a junk. So it's an organized junk drawer, you know? And then I moved all this stuff out of the way so that I can put my dirty laundry. I was tired of looking at it, so if I could put it in my closet, that's great. Then I put all of my presents for my girlfriend right. So those are the ones from her, and these are hers. These are my friends. That was the box she gave me full of junk. I don't want to take it out and break it down right now. So, yeah. I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but... Good morning. No. Hello, it is 2:07. I'm gonna go to bed now. I lay here on TikTok for an hour. Wow. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know your comfort movie. Mine is Coraline. If you know, you know. Like, if you know me, you know that's my comfort movie. Let me know yours. Because a lot of people's are different things. Like, Coraline is creepy to some people, and I just love it so much. So, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.